Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Finally, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone and hit Install in the pop-up. Now read the disclaimer, hit Continue at the bottom and tap on the switcher at the top if you wish to use a separate contact list. If you don't want to do it, hit Next and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now just wait. So when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to exactly the same settings and click on the blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, hit Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!